I'm Naomi,
And I'm Christine.
and this is our behavior contingency project. We did something called Reach for the Sky for the kindergarten grade level. Our specific problem behavior was that classroom voice level is exceeding a conversational volume, so the correlating target behavior is utilizing conversational volume in the classroom.
And our plan for teaching our target behavior, we will introduce expectations with students when it comes to their voice level in the classroom. One of the ways we can teach this target behavior is by introducing a voice level app called Too Noisy Starter. It will be displayed on a bigger screen in the classroom so all the students can see it. In the app, there's a smiley face with blue skies behind it when the voice level is at a good range. As the classroom volume gets higher, the smiley face becomes more of a sad face. Eventually, when it gets too loud, the smiley face uses its hands to close its ears. If the students get 20 smiley faces by the end of the week, they will make the hot air balloon float to the next award or reward. A second way we teach this target behavior is to demonstrate what it is supposed to sound like. We would play some sort of music that is appropriate for kindergartners at 60% volume. We would then have the students talk to each other for 60 minutes or seconds. The goal would be for them to maintain a conversational volume in which they can still hear the music while conversing.
And for our reinforcement plan, it would be conducted in 6 levels over 6 weeks. And students, if they're able to successfully reach their weekly goal in terms of maintaining conversational volume with those 20 smiley faces that were discussed before, they'll be granted a reward. And those rewards increase in value over the course of 6 weeks, further incentivizing them to continue engaging in the target behavior for the full course of time. The reward earned at level 1 is a 5-minute dance break. With week 2, each student gets a trip to the sticker store where they can gather 3 stickers. If the target behavior is also met during week 3, they'll be invited to bring an item from home to present for show and tell. If they also meet week four's goal, they will receive a class pet, which is like the little animal erasers. Week 5's reward corresponds with the day in which they can wear pajamas to school. And then finally, if they're successful in meeting the target behavior for all 6 weeks, the class will receive a pizza party. And the reinforcement plan would be displayed visually on a poster hung in the classroom. The visual will be complete with a hot air balloon and the 6 possible rewards that they can receive over the next 6 weeks, listed basically in staggering order from week 1's reward to week 6 reward. And as they meet their weekly goals, the hot air balloon will be moved from prize to prize.
And lastly, our class awards. So at the end of the 6 weeks or week 6, students will be granted a full class reward to celebrate their success in meeting the target behavior over an extensive period of time. Assuming that the class goal is met during the final week, a pizza party will be hosted in the cafeteria for every student in the class to participate in. The final hour of school on that Friday would be dedicated to the cause. Games would be hosted, music would be played, and food would be enjoyed. So this is our visual. I can't see.
Yeah. So this is what would be displayed, and they could essentially see their progress visually throughout the 6 weeks and watch it move up and up and up. And
Yes. So this is it starts with week 1 on the bottom, and for every week they get 20 smiley faces or more. You just move it up like this. It'll be on a actual poster, of course, but you would move it up every week until you get to the last week.
yeah.
But there's that.
And I think that's
That's it.
it.
Thank you.
Thank you.